In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use follow-up prompts in Grok AI. Quick tutorial 2026. First, open your browser and go to grok.com. That's the home base where you'll start any conversation. If you have an account, signing in is a good idea because it lets Grok save your chats and preferences, which makes your follow-ups more consistent over time. It isn't strictly required, but it does help when you want to come back to a thread later. On the homepage, you'll see the Grok AI chat interface front and center. Think of this as your ongoing workspace. You type a question, get a response, and then keep building right there. That continuity is exactly what makes follow-up prompts powerful. To use follow-up prompts, treat the chat like a continuous dialogue. After Grok's first answer, type your related question or refinement in the same box. Reference what it just said, ask for a different format, or provide missing context. The key is to guide the model from good to exactly what you need by iterating. Here's the core technique. Keep everything in one thread so Grok maintains context. Build on what's already there. You can say, explain that last point more simply, or turn that list into a table, and it will know what that refers to. If something's off, correct it directly. Be specific, like, the second paragraph is incorrect. Please update it with the latest data on X. Some best practices make follow-ups even stronger. Be precise about what to change, add or remove. Assign a role to change the lens, for example. Now review that email as a harsh critic. Use data you already mentioned so the focus stays tight. And for bigger projects, chain tasks. Handle one step, confirm it's right, then move to the next. There are a few features worth leveraging. Mode selection lets you switch between fast, expert, or heavy, depending on how deep you need to go. Fast is great for quick iterations, while expert or heavy can dig into complex reasoning. In settings, add custom instructions to shape tone and priorities across your session. And if you've uploaded images, you can ask multimodal follow-ups like pointing out an error in a chart or requesting a clearer caption. Let's walk through a quick example of a follow-up chain. Start with, summarize the latest AI news. Then refine. Focus more on XAI developments. Next, change the format. Put those developments into a bulleted list. Finally, push it toward an output you can use. Draft a tweet based on the first bullet point. That's it. Keep your conversation in one thread. Iterate with precise follow-ups and use modes and settings to steer the style and depth. Happy prompting!